Hello friends, Namaskaram. So today I was just researching about how we can automatize, Cora on-page SEO report. So I'm so happy to share with you how we can do it, and I'm still in process to develop it. My entire goal is making like 100% of Cora optimization automatic. So thanks to the AI tools and myself Anand, and I'm into research with SEO for around 18 years. I started in 2005, and this is like one of my dream project, doing a Cora on page on the fly. So let's get started. What I do is, first of all, I just pick one of a report. So suppose I had this report, so I just take this report from the Quora, very simple, and I just hit upload. ChatGPT will take the sheet and it will read the sheet we provide for the Quora report, and it will just ask us, "What do you want to do now?" So now I want to ask it something. So I would ask it this question, just simple question. And I would say create and content outline. There is a whole lot of programming, a whole lot of logical data flow, which I have done in the background. And now I want to give it a content, right? So my web page is like having a lot of content. So I just want to copy some of the content which is directly related to the uh, web hosting. So let me just copy it a bit. So I just copied some of my web page content, and now I expect this tool to give me the outline in the context of Cora report. So what is missing there? It needs to create that for me. So let's just see how it's moving. So now it's picking all the essentials and it's creating some stuff for us. And I'm just waiting for it to finish so I can move on to the next step. So you can say it have categorized the data, the headings, and it's moving. Okay, so it have created. Do you know want now to write content based on yes? So now I would cite my second command because I have trained it accordingly. So I have given it create additional content now. So I will start creating this with Cora in the back. So I'm so excited that it's just doing the stuff we need, like, and we need Cora. We love Cora. We love tags, Cora reports, and we thank you. And all this credit goes to two people. When Tad, who made this tool, is asking, yes, next section. So that's all I have to do, and I will get the content and I will push it. That's it. It's that simple. So now it's trying to make additional content for us for the other parts. I want to repeat every content is based on the Quora. So that's where we make the difference, because otherwise there is any AI tool can do anything, and this is not like just another AI tool. We made it basically, so we have the Quora details there. I'm just initial process. I have just made it. I'm going to mark it for all parts of whatever we need in SEO. We will have that based on Quora. Yes, next section. Yep. So yes, we want you to create the next section. That will do it. So just keep on tapping, tapping, tapping. And all the entities, all the variations, and so many things should be there. I will further optimize the codes and I will try to make it more logical towards the Cora report. But time being, I have been able to rank a new website in real estate appraisal market in one of a big city in US, and that was really so exciting for me that I was able to do this. So yeah, so it's saying okay. Okay, so for now, the output is done, and I can just make open a new website, Word HTML. I'm not sure if you're able to see that page or not because I have shared a specific part of my screen, but I can tell you what it is. So we have this content, and then we want to say the second part of the content. We copy that here, and then we want to have third part of the content. Yes, sir. So let's see. So basically, like it created 1,000 words of SEO optimized content, and that's all behind the scene Cora report. So it have the entities, it have the variations, it have the LSI, it have related searches, it have so much. So we can put in a content like this. We can slightly edit it, grammar check it, and that's it. That's all for now. So I hope you are excited, and I'm also excited how many ways I can make it done. So I would keep it as simple as possible, and I would try to create the web page content entirely from scratch. How to create a blog post based on Cora guideline. Second, how to optimize a web page content. Third, how to create the GBP data set like question answers, and imagine like all the post, GBP posts, and so many things we can do. And all of this, I want Cora optimized. So that's the entire goal. Hope you like it and like my efforts. And I will try to make it super simple and try to complete it as soon as possible. It is in beta phase, so we are internally using these tools, and that's also giving me an opportunity to optimize the course more better. So maybe tomorrow we can have a tool set, a GPP tool set for Cora, a website tool set for the Cora, blog post tool set for the Cora. So many of them. And thank you very much. And a special thank to Tad and Patrick for all your motivation and your guidance. Without that, it won't be possible. Thank you very much. And I will keep you posted in the Cora community how we move with these tools. And I will also make you early beta access as soon as possible for me. Thank you very much.